Are Amazon Wine reviews actually worth it on Amazon? I manage multiple brands on Amazon and their advertising, and what I find most of the time is products without any reviews versus 10 plus reviews or more. There is a big difference in conversion rate. So now, if you're starting out from a brand new listing that costs $10-15, I really recommend you get the reviews, you pay for them. Now, there are new updates to how you can request them. You can even request those reviews before your listing is live, meaning that you can have 30 units made by a supplier, pay for that small order, send it to Amazon, get the wine reviews, and while your main production order is being made of, say, 1,000, 2,000 or 3,000 units, in the background all of these reviews are coming in before your listing even goes live. Now when your listing goes live, it already has a social proof, it already has reviews, and your advertising, like I said, what I see from experience, your advertising just starts to work so much better and better. The conversion rate, the ranking, etc., and you can send these good signals to Amazon faster. Now, what I don't recommend to use wine reviews for is any subjective products. So if you're in clothing, if you're selling an item, that's colorful, but the color is like subjective, say it's like slightly pinkish or red, and the color is important to a customer. Something that's highly subjective, size, color, weight, application, something there where the user is not clear or the item is fragile, I recommend you guys don't use the wine reviews because they could be harsh sometimes and it could actually hurt your performance. Now, there are also other tricks that you can use to get 100 reviews, and I'm gonna share some of them in this video. So if you have a product that you're selling that has 4 different variations, you could literally have 4 different standalone listings, have your supplier make, say, 120 units, just tell them, hey, I want this rush order, there is only quantity of 100, can you make them for me quickly? Now you go ahead, you get this order, you air ship it to Amazon in a matter of 5 days. Then you get 30 reviews for each of those listings. Then when your bulk order comes in, like say of a quantity of 1,000 to 2,000 units, then you merge all those listings, or you only merge listings that happen to get like highest review rating, and now you're starting out not just with 30 reviews, you're starting with 60, 70 plus reviews that also have high rating. That's like a good way to kickstart your product and already have the PPC that drives good conversion rates. So something else about Amazon reviews is, so it's typically sent to people who are they're leaving reviews by default, and it does not select people who only leave good reviews. So there's going to be mixed of reviews. So like I said, it's best for products that are not subjective, have a clear use, etc. And I recommend to use it feature on Amazon. Now when it comes down to selling expensive products, let's say you have a product that costs $500, it's really up to your budget and how aggressive you are and how fast you want to scale this. If you're selling a set of 6 outdoor chairs, probably sending a set of 6 outdoor chairs to wine reviewers does not make sense for you. I would not advise to use friends and family either, or any other like grey hat service. So Amazon, they're like $1 billion company. So do you think they have a capacity to know which people you're connected to? I think they have a lot more than we think that they have, and it's kind of scary. So I recommend you guys don't use any friends, family, especially people who you send Amazon products to, because Amazon can figure it out quickly. No grey hat service, nothing. What happens is like people using this, so this is more about like talking about reviews. When people use this Amazon review services, so what happens is Amazon looks at your review rate. So let's say out of 15 products you sold, there is like 10 reviews, so I guarantee you that this listing is going to get flagged fast. And if it's not suppressed, I wouldn't be surprised that it would be shadow banned, and your advertising isn't getting impressions, you're getting poor conversion rate, you're getting poor placements, and that's kind of like Amazon punishing your listing. So I would say the summary is the wine reviews are worth it. Request them beforehand. You can build out that social proof while getting that large quantity shipped to Amazon, and you can kickstart this listing with 50 to 80 or even 100 reviews.